Good morning viewers, I'm number 31, good to be with you and welcome back to CNBC News. US COVID cases have hit the highest level of the pandemic as two highly infectious variants circulate throughout the country and health officials urge Americans to get vaccinated and boosted against the virus. Nationwide daily new cases were at a record 7-day average of more than 265,000 as of Tuesday, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University, surpassing the previous high mark of about 252,000 average daily cases, set on January 11, 2021. The fresh pandemic peak comes as the Delta and Omicron variants are spreading simultaneously. The previously dominant Delta variant was already driving US case counts higher this fall, before the emergence of Omicron, which is contributing to a near radical rise in daily new cases. About 75,000 Americans are hospitalized with COVID-19, and the country is reporting more than 1,500 daily deaths. Though both figures are rising, they are lower than when the last daily case record was set nearly a year ago, before COVID vaccinations were widely available. Hospitalizations topped 137,000 at that point, according to a 7-day average of data from the Department of Health and Human Services, and Johns Hopkins data shows the average death toll was more than 3,200 per day. Roughly 62% of the US population is fully vaccinated, with 2 doses of the Pfizer or Moderna shots or 1 dose of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine as of Tuesday, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. US health officials have warned that the risk remains highest for the unvaccinated and are pushing Americans to get a booster dose to better protect themselves against Omicron. According to CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky, the virus has got 50 mutations, and being vaccinated with 2 doses may not be enough, he told CNBC's The News with Shepard Smith last week. And because of this, they really need people to get boosted in order to increase the protection, especially against severe disease and deaths with Omicron. In the United States, Omicron represented 59% of sequenced COVID cases, while Delta represented 41% last week, according to CDC estimates. While the global scientific community is still gathering data on the new variant, which was first detected in Southern Africa in late November, there has been some encouraging early news. Real-world studies from South Africa and the United Kingdom suggest that people infected with Omicron develop more mild illness compared with Delta, and Pfizer and Moderna have each said that the third dose of their mRNA COVID vaccines appears to provide significant protection against Omicron, though a 2-shot regimen has been found to be less effective against infection. A professor of health policy and management at the City University of New York School of Public Health, Dr. Bruce Wiley, said that a high peak could further overwhelm the system for other people as well. He was explaining that fuller hospitals would make it harder to treat those with heart attacks or cancer or who, for example, got into a car accident. That's the news for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.